What's the meaning of coupling? Coupling. Coupling.
Coupling. Coupling. Coupling refers to the degree to which two or more systems or components are connected and interact with each other. When coupling is high, changes made in one place may have significant impact on other parts of the system, leading to increased complexity and difficulty in managing the system. In contrast, low coupling means the components are more independent, making the system more modular and easier to maintain. High coupling can result in decreased agility and flexibility, while low coupling can lead to improved scalability and resilience.